What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm just coming on with a little bit. I wanted to just give you guys a peek at my table transformation I'm working on. I've already started clearing off my stuff. As you can see, I'm going to take all of this off because you can see that it's just a plastic throwaway table cover that I have on it, and it's just getting really messed up for me moving things around and all that stuff. So I'm gonna put something on here that is just wipeable and won't tear, which I might put this on and then like put something over the top. I might not use this, and I might only use this. This is it's not plastic like this. This is reusable. Getting some light, and I love it because it has hearts on it. And if I put this on, it won't tear anything, and I'll just have to wipe it down. So I might use this, and then I do have another option. So I'm not sure which I'm going to use yet, but I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of everything off of my table here, and then figure out, I'm going to wipe the table down itself and figure out which one I'm going to use and put on here. So stay tuned. I'm going to get all this off. For some reason, my sound didn't come out with this video, so you'll just see me cleaning up my table here and playing with my little basket. But yeah, I'm getting everything just cleaned off and moving it, sitting it down on my floor to get it out of my way. Yeah, that nail polish carousel, I thought I was going to drop it. It was so heavy. I was moving much slower than that, but I sped it up a little bit. The little plastic tablecloth is like so torn, and so it was just time to go. I'm gonna wipe it down, and then everything is gonna be back on it very neatly because I'm missing another part of the video. So the next video you'll see is right now. It's finished. But it looks so much better to me, so much neater and brighter. I have two wipeable tablecloths on it. That one is a thick one, and the one under it is thinner, and it has hearts on it, which I think is super cute. So yeah, I love it. So I just want to share that with you guys to see how I redid my table. Hope you guys liked it. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.